I'm Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is October 13th, 2018. And in this video, I'm going to be showing how I'm going to be replacing the dishwasher spray arm in my Frigidaire dishwasher. And it happens to be model number FGID2466Q4F4A, but I'll put that up there in the show notes here. Okay, so I had in my dishwasher, this little armature came off. So it has a little nut on top of it, and it actually came off and it fell over. And it actually got on the heating coil, so you can kind of see it right there. It got really nicely melted. Now I was able to kind of put it back on temporarily, put the screw back on here, but it's just not working the same, of course. It washed the dishes, but not the same. So went on Amazon, and here's what I ordered. So this one happens to be, cost me about 38 bucks to get delivered, and I've got it right here. So look, it actually spins. Okay, so it's an easy enough job. I'm just going to go downstairs real quick and show you how to stick it in. Okay, so here I kind of put it back how I found it that one day. So this had fallen off, and it actually moved several times. So you can see that actually this heats up, this ring. And so it had been on there at one point, it had been on here at one point as it got whacked around, and all this got melted. So this is just pretty useless, but I was able temporarily to stick this back on, and I did have to go dig around and find the little nut that kind of goes on the top, little screw, well, I guess a nut, that goes up on here, and I kind of got it temporarily working. We've been using it for a few weeks now like that. It's been fine. But now I've got the replacement, less than 40 bucks, and as you can see here, these guys hold on, so it actually just pops off really pretty easily. All you gotta do is kind of pull up, pops off. In fact, that's all you gotta do. But then one thing, while you're down here, you might want to clean this trap out, because I did. It was kind of ugly at the time. And now to get this out, there's actually an arrow here you can see, which is unlock. But all you gotta do is twist this, and it comes out. You see it hooks on this guy right here. And you can clean out, I could probably clean a little better right now, but I cleaned all the big junk out last time, but there we go, put it back on. I mean, you don't have to do this step, but while you're down there, and then it's really just this hard. Stick it on, slap it on, and you're done. So no need to call some special dishwasher repairman to do that job. 40 bucks on Amazon, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.